Hello, hello, hello. I'm so excited. And guess what? Today we are officially starting our 61st Modern Goat Training Management Masterclass. And as usual, it's going to be exciting and filled with impact. Our trainees are not going to leave here the same. If you missed it, sorry, but we're going to be having our next training. Just stay tuned and watch out for it. So, yeah.
Good evening. My name is Chibuzo Emmanuel Ezokeke, and originally from Anambra State, Nigeria.
Okay.
They're living in Switzerland.
Oh.
So I'm here to learn about goat rearing, how to raise goats.
So you came from Switzerland for
Yes.
directly for the training.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's nice, and we hope you pack knowledge back to Switzerland.
Yes, I'm excited already.
Okay.
Seeing the number of people that turn out,
Yeah.
and how passionate almost all of us are. I'm really excited about the knowledge and the knowledge we're going to share together.
All right.
My name is Mohammed Suleiman.
My name is Jose Jampam from Plateau State.
Dr. Asika Onyekachi Augustine.
My name is Bun Mangay.
And by name Dennis Jamwozi.
My name is Kim Daniel Prince.
Abubakar Ibrahim Mohammed.
Olise Afion. Dolphin Ferguson.
Godwin Sunday.
Simon Olushola.
I'm Young Gouda by name.
I'm Jamil Hassan by name from Kaduna.